The circle?
What's poppin'? Is your boy Kiiingfresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. Alright guys, so today I have a special banger. It's not your average typical chaotic meet. I'm going to a private sesh, meaning it's only swingers, not a lot of crowd. So pretty much every car that shows up is gonna pretty much burn some rubber and get down and dirty. He's trying the exit and he's doing the exit very well. My girl was asking me what is Ghost Ride the Whip?
Ghost Ride the Whip. Ghost Ride the Whip. Ghost Ride the Whip. Ghost Ride the Whip.
Now you know what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. We pull up to the next location and we got the Mustang in the house. Nice and clean. Here we go. God damn! I don't know. I don't think he saw that, but I don't think he saw that. I don't think that was on purpose. I don't think that was on purpose. Getting down and dirty over here on this side. We got the Lexus for the one-time popping flame. I still can't believe that the Mustang went over that curve. Oh, we got the other Z coming in. We got Z on C action. We got a tantrum in the house. Woo! Like that, guys, this private sesh is actually cracking right now. I'm actually enjoying it. It's my first time pulling up to the private sesh, and you can see the little hand goes up. Everybody got to do it for the one time. It was and I'm having fun actually. I think I'm gonna start coming to more private sesh so I could upload for you guys more often.
Careful!
Boom! Boom!
Yo, that's crazy. Stop!
Automatically like the video if you agree that you hate people like this. Watch. I've seen a lot of people like this. Look. How do I look? Do I look safe?
Very.
Shit. I can't even touch the pedal, dude.
Stop!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Babe, stop! They're watching God.
I do not feel safe. Look at the space that I have. Look. Look
Go.
at this.
Okay.
Look at this.
Okay, yeah. Maneja
Let's see if
bien.
this fucker wants to race. One,
No.
2, 3.
No.
See car doesn't have an exhaust right now, I'm making it for it.
Okay, the light's red.
Two-step.
Ve frenando.
Oh shit, the brakes don't work, dude. Oh shit, there's a car behind me. Stop playing around. Sheesh. How's the engine looking? How's the engine bay? Brand new? I wouldn't be surprised you see this shit on eBay. Brand new. Garage Queen. Is that
Alright.
you're good?
Yeah, it's good. It's chilling.
Comment down in the comments what happened to this Mustang. You think he hit over some people, some fences, or what happened? We made it to the next location and it's already cracking under the bridge. This bridge has so much memory for me, but I love this spot. Okay, okay. Oh, he's horny about it. Dale gas, güey. There you go. Okay, he got it. 4th of July up in this bitch. ¡Viva México, putos! Oh, you know it's bragging right now for the one time with the cuetes. We got the Mustang coming. Okay. Uh-oh. That's right, my God. It's towing on my Jordan. There goes the Mustang. This hypes them up. This gets the boys going. If you want to support your local swinger, just go like this, guys. He gave me a souvenir. We got the GA coming in, we got the C finishing it up. There we go. The GA came in hot. Woo! Uh-oh. Damn, clean. GA clean. That other guy threw me this leaf, literally hit my eggplant, and I caught it. Appreciate the souvenir. Hey, comment down below if you want to see me do this at the takeovers, like to hype people up, because a lot of people do this. I'm kind of over it. I kind of want to do this. What do you think? Comment down below, and don't forget to smash that like button. Like if you're smashing the girl from the back with the cheeks, smash it. And share the video, guys. Make sure you like the video and share it because it helps me a lot. Alright guys, so we're gonna end this private sesh with a banger ass dinner right now. A banger ass dinner. We got some Car Jr. You already know for the one time. I love Car Jr.